Hello student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Dear student, today I will tell you the summary of the lesson Discovering Tut. Book, lesson 3rd, book Hornbill. Dear student, in the last video I told you about King Tut. Howard Carter discovered the mummy of King Tut in 1922. He wanted to know more about the King Tut. For this reason, he took the help of CT scan. Dear student, you know that today archaeology has changed a lot. Archaeology has changed a lot. Medical technology, it adopt the medical technology. So Carter decided that he will do the CT scan of King Tut body. So the worker carried the dead body of King Tut. Hundreds of X-rays create the real body of King Tut. But sand going into the machine, the process was failed. But a technician pulled up wonderful images of Tut on a computer screen. In the images of Tuts on a computer screen showed the head and bones of the necks appeared clearly on the computer screen. On the other images, it showed hand and several views of ribs of King Tut. His head was scanned. His head was scanned in 0.62 millimeter slices. But the sand going into the machine, so its process was failed. Through the medium of CT scan, here it's mean that computed tomography CT scan. He wanted to know how he died, what was his age when he died. So he found that King Tut died in early age. He was the last heir of his family, and his family was very powerful in Egypt. For several centuries they ruled. When he died, here it means that when King Tut died, they put up several things beside his dead body, because they believed that he will take rebirth and he will need all these things. For this reason, they took some foods, cases of foods, wines, axes, shroud, all these things because they believed that he will take rebirth. When they came out, here it means that Howard Carter and his company, when they came down, at this time the wind had stopped. Just above the Tut tomb stood a cluster of stars known as Orion. Here it means that he was watching the boy Tut. It was the summary of the lesson King Tut. I hope you will understand about it. That's all.